magnetic drain plug, the oil pan drain plug for my Volkswagen GTI for the OEM, the plastic oil pan. So take a look. Inside the package, it has a locking clip and also one additional O-ring. So the drain plug is already pre-installed with the O-ring and also the locking clip. And with a good exposure of the magnets. So quite powerful. And I pay about $41 and some cents and plus tax and for this magnetic drain plug. So I'm going to do it, going to put this one on my VW 2015 GTI MK7 and replace the original, the OEM, the plastic drain plug with this one. And this is designed for the OEM, the plastic oil pan. Prepare the car on the ramp. Install the magnetic drain plug onto the OEM plastic oil sump. With a 14mm socket and a ratchet to turn the magnetic drain plug until it is in the locking place. Add 6 quarts of the oil. After adding the oil, make sure it is still bone dry and no leaking.